Play this shit at my funeral, nigga. For real. Real one up. Let me tell you stories about my life in public housing. Pops went around, I played the middle like I'm Malcolm. Smoking paper bags, barbecues, I missed them fist fights. Ballin' on the sides, and I remember them egg fights. Catch a girl, freak a girl, we used to play that every night. Now shit couldn't have been more sweeter. Cypher Circle with Vaughn, Sean, Wood, and GQ the teachers. Before Magoo got changed, before I felt the pain. BIP, Miss Maggie, you forever in my dream. Got me cruising through the city with my eyes low. Windows way down, reminiscing, blowing dope smoke. Cup filled to the rim, I see why niggas hating folk. Could it be a money or bitches bobbing me like sideshow? Baby half black, half white, call her Domino. I know, shit, I got one life to live and I'ma live my shit. And I'ma touch the stars before I leave this bitch, for real.
YG, nigga. 1110. Said I'm coming up with goals to make my life better. No mozzarella, all I want is wild cheddar. No, I got the flow, cause it's God in my soul. How you talk hate when it's God in your soul? All I know is crossover and a jump shot. Going through these niggas like a nigga can't stop. But I'm still here, nigga getting tall. Bitches getting wetter than Niagara Falls. That's too official, let a nigga pause. 1110 straight jumping like a crisscross. Yeah, I'm swagged up, loud pack rolled up. Ribs still cooking while I'm Kool-Aid whipping. That's how it is when the day smooth. All fire and hell in the month of June. Free my nigga Tune, yeah, we'll see you soon. So I'ma pull up while I ride a monsoon. Yeah.
Say what I know. Yeah, listen, the way that I'm living, you should pay more attention, cause all my niggas are hungry. It's survival of the fittest. I'm trying to accomplish big things and tell my mama I did. I'm on the road to success, so just wish me the best. Thinking about real shit, ignoring all my haters. I'm all about my bread, like a fresh bagel. Bitch said that we up next, I guarantee that they know. Chasing all these pesos, why? Because I say so. I'm on another level, I don't fuck with you, I'm solo. These niggas know I'm killing shit, and every 10 up in this bitch. Step to me, nigga, I can merge you with me, calling quits. About to roll up all day, cause I done got a zip. About to pop off on these niggas like a fucking zip. Niggas said he always real, but then they counterfeit. Hear a lot of sneak this and homie, but I ain't even trip. Niggas got a hold on a life and still would lose the grip. Yeah.